Hi everyone, welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang. It's easy, tasty Korean cooking channel. I'm Yujin.
Subscribe me, hit the like button.
I'm wearing very black today, right? You can guess today's menu from this outfit. It's Jjajang Myeon, which is one of the very popular Korean soul foods, black bean sauce noodles. As you can see from a lot of Korean TV shows, there are so many scenes with this Jjajang Myeon. It's been a steady seller for at least, I think, more than 50 years in Korea. Of course, it's one of my favorite dishes too. When I was little, my parents made me stop crying by ordering this Jjajang Myeon. I really like this that much. If you've been wondering what it tasted like, try today's easy and simple version recipe. It's way easier than original Jjajang Myeon, okay? But still tastes so good. I will use this red pasta instead of Korean noodles, so it will look more Halloweenish, I hope. If you make this for Halloween, I'm sure your family and friends really want to know the taste of this interesting black sauce noodles. Aren't you so excited to make this Halloween color dish? If you are ready, let's get started. Ooh.
I always put all the ingredients and links on the description of the video, so please check it out, okay? Cut the pork. I use the pork belly, but you can use any type of pork, but the pork should have some fat for flavorful sauce. Prepare the vegetables and cut all the ingredients to the cubic size, okay? Chop the onions. Now cut the carrots. I think I put not enough cabbages, so you can put some more than me, maybe half cup more. And let's slice the cucumbers. This cucumbers for the just garnish, it's not for sauce, okay? Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil on the pan, add pork and stir fry. Put half tablespoon of minced garlic, keep stirring. Add half tablespoon of ginger powder to reduce the pork smell. When the pork is almost cooked, put chopped onions. Wait until onions get caramelized a little bit. When you can smell the onions, put all the vegetables and stir fry them all together well. When the vegetables are cooked, add jjajang powder little by little and keep stirring. If the sauce gets too thick, add half cup of the water. Keep stirring. Finish up the sauce. It looks so good! Yay! Now boil the water for the pasta. When the pasta is done, now start the plating. Yay, it's done! Jjajang Myeon is very good with pickled radish and cucumber. I have some sauce left from last night, so I decided to make jjajang bap. Bap means rice, okay? So it's very easy. Just add rice instead of noodles and put a fried egg sunny side up. Mix rice with the sauce well. And I did some deco with pickled radish and cucumber from yesterday. Fry sunny side up egg. Yay! OMG, it was very delicious. To me, actually I like the rice version. Enjoy!
How was today's recipe? It looks easy, right? I'm sure you enjoy Jjajang Myeon and have a lot of fun. Have a happy Halloween, everyone! I will see you next video, okay? Before you go, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe me for the next video. Thank you! Bye!